Guys, good morning. I have a very special review for you today, which I've been meaning to do for a really long time. Unfortunately, the box came a little bit later than I thought it was going to come, and then we had Vlogmas, and I was really struggling to get it into my schedule of my videos. So, and don't mind my hair. I just got out of the shower, and I'm just letting it dry naturally today and giving it a heat style break. But today we're going to be reviewing Kate Sparkle. I don't know if you guys have heard of this. It is made in the USA. It is all 925 sterling silver jewelry. Guys, this is, when I opened this, you'll see the whole experience is luxurious, and it kind of reminded me, let me move you over here. We have a lot of sun coming in. It kind of reminded me of like a Tiffany's experience. You know, it just felt luxurious, but doesn't have the luxurious price tag. So I want to tell you about it. I do have a code for you, which I'll kind of put on the screen randomly here, but it's Terry K30. That's going to give you 30% off any regular priced items. Now, that promo code, unfortunately, is only good for a couple more days. If you watched my Get Ready With Me, I did announce that I was doing the video and put the promo code up there for you as well. So I'm going to have the link below as well as the Terry K30, but check it out because it really is only good till like December 30th. I am going to ask if they can extend that, but for now it is only until December 30th. So my fault because I had trouble getting this up on time. However, wait till you see this. All right, so these are all designer rings. They are all handcrafted. They did make it for me to my specification and size. And when it came, so let me just show you inside the box, okay? So the box itself with this is like a leather box. It's a beautiful, beautiful quality box. And it says Kate Sparkle on the top. Then you got a couple of, turn that sparkle into a $500 shopping spree. Show us your Kate Sparkle jewelry. So it's got like a little brochure. And then it says, and then it has this little card. The colors are this like white and really beautiful blue, like a almost like a cornflower blue, and it says, thank you for your support. We can't wait to see how beautiful the ring looks on you. Tag us in your reveal using the hashtag Kate Sparkle Jewelry so we can share the sparkle with the rest of the community. So there's that. And then if you were giving it for a gift, first of all, look, it comes with shred. And if you were giving it for a gift, you get this adorable little gift bag that says Kate Sparkle on it. It is tied up right now, so let me untie it and show you. And you could probably put the blue shred in here too, which is, I'm guessing, why they put that in there. This is a luxury bag too. It's like a really thick, almost like, it almost feels like a leather bag. Let me just tie the bow back up while it's open, show you the whole thing. Even the ends of the ribbon are cut like fancy. Well, I'm not tying it beautifully, but here we go. So it says Kate Sparkle on it. It's got, if you want to hold it, it's got the little tabs, and then it's just got a beautiful blue ribbon on it. So you can put the blue shred in there or some tissue paper and give this as a gift. What I think that I'm going to do with this, and when I travel with my fine jewelry, I always lose stones. I think I've mentioned this in other videos with jewelry. I always lose stones. So I no longer wear my good designer jewelry or my good, real diamond jewelry to fly. It seems like the air pressure in the airplane always messes it up and I lose a diamond. So this is what I would do. If you have an engagement ring, this would be a replacement for traveling, for beaches, for places you just are not comfortable taking your real ring. So we're getting ready to show you this. So again, I mentioned it's handcrafted in the USA, 0.925 sterling silver. We have the code, it's Terry K30 for 30% off. There's also free international shipping and a 365-day warranty on all pieces, as well as the complimentary gift packaging that I showed you. Now, guys, when I saw this, I about died. This was so stunning. There's no way, and I'm a certified dermatologist from K Jewelers, there's no way that I would have known that this was not a real. You got to look under a microscope to know that this was not, there's a little fuzzy on it, the real deal. It is made so nicely. And what's really cool, hopefully you guys are going to be able to see this. I'll try to get some close-up shots and roll them at the end. But there is a little sapphire here in the side. Even the sides is sparkly and beautiful. Both sides have a sapphire. And then the ring itself is like a cushion cut. Nope, it's not cushion cut. It is so the center stone is a princess cut, and then it has a halo around it of pave stones, and then it has pave stones down each side, and then on the inside it has pave sparkle stones too. And this, I mean, the design of this, I want to get an up close, but I think I'm going to have to do it after for you guys, because this is just absolutely a stunning piece. Let me put it on my finger and see if it'll focus better. Oh, there it is. Oh, I absolutely would not mind getting an engagement ring like this if Robert wants to go ahead and buy me one. For now, I will wear this one. That's so, so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And I believe I actually selected the Kate, the Kate one. This is like the brand's main ring that they have, that was designed by Kate herself. So I'm pretty sure that is the one that I have here, but there's several different styles for you guys to choose from. Much more affordable than getting yourself a real engagement ring or a real like cocktail ring. I think this one is like $199, but then if you use my coupon, you get 30% off. That is a huge, significant savings on this ring. So, and this ring looks like the real deal, and it's heavy. It's got some weight to it, like a real ring would. I wish it would focus. Let me see if I can touch the screen and make it focus. No. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll some pictures of it on my hand after, and I'm going to roll some pictures of it in the box against the black background. I may also take one outside so you guys can see just how beautiful truly the sparkle on this ring is. I mean, you can see from this distance, how pretty it is, but like, it's so much prettier in person. So I'm going to try to get some really good pictures for you guys. So, that is really it, guys, on this one. This isn't a super long video, but I did want to introduce you to Kate Sparkle if you're new to them. I was new to them. I had never heard of them, and I really love this ring. I'm truly impressed. When it came in, I've gotten a couple of rings from different companies. I would say so far, this is it's at the top of my faves. There's two that I really like, this one and one other one, but the quality of this is superior. So definitely take a look, check it out. I'll have the website below. I'll have my code posted for you guys so you can go get your 30% discount. And I am going to see if she can do an extension. She may not be able to. I don't know. But we'll check and see. If I can, I will post that. Otherwise, it will just be up till the 30th. And you guys can check it out. Let me know if you've heard of this company. I'm interested in knowing. Or if you've ever purchased anything from them before. This is actually my first time working with Kate Sparkle. They have been wonderful, and they custom made the ring for me. So it's in my size. I got it in a size 6. If I was going to get it on my engagement ring finger, it would have been a 5.5 or 5 3/4. I think it might be a 5.5 on my other hand. So usually you're about a half size different on your finger. So there we go again. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I've enjoyed showing you this this review. I've really loved the ring, and now I get to wear it and show it off. I'll probably wear it to work, and everybody's going to say, oh my God, are you engaged? I'm saying, no, it's on the other hand, silly. So, but that's okay. Maybe I'll fool them. Maybe I'll put it on my other hand and see if we can fool them. We'll see. All right, I got to go do my hair. I'll see you guys in a little bit.